Tutorial. So this tutorial, this is the design we are going to be replicating. You understand? So this is I've already replicated it. The only thing that is missing here is the names. So I'm going to do the design again, but this time around I will be putting the name. Now, before I continue, there are some few things I would like to show you guys. The first app I will be showing you guys is Pinterest. So this is Pinterest here. So I will be showing you some of the. So this is Pinterest. I use it for most of for finding resources. Do you understand? So this is where I get the pictures for the images I used. Do you understand? Then I also get some materials, so like tech logos. Some of the tech logos that I use, this is where I got them. So basically, you can get any of the materials that you need from Pinterest. You can get any of the material that you need from Pinterest. Now, the next platform I will be showing you is a website. It's a website. So the website is just color picker from image. Just color picker from image. I just type color picker from image, and then this first one, this color picker, this first one, you can use it to pick any color of any image, and it will show you the color code. Do you understand? So this is where I actually put all the color code that I used. So these are the color code that I used. Do you understand? You can pause the video here, you can write everything down so that you can follow as I'm doing it, so you not just be guessing and doing things anyhow. Now I think so. Let's get started. So these are blank these are blank page. The first thing we want to do is I'll click on my element, and then I'll bring in a square. I want a square to be the background for all my designs. I'll bring in a square, then I'll enlarge it. After I enlarge it, I'm going to click on color, then I'll click on color. So let me come over to my color code. This is the thing I'll put it there. This is background. This is the background. Then I'll copy it. I want to copy it. Then I'll come over here and just paste it. So I want you guys to see everything of it. So I'm going to click on this plus icon here. This plus icon, I'm going to click on it. I'll click on the color code and cancel it. And I'm going to paste the color code. So once I paste the color code, I'm good to go. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to bring in these squares. Do you understand? I want to bring in all the squares and position it right. Now, to be able to do everything rightly, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be copying the design. Do you understand? I'm going to be copying the design. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, let me show you how I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to bring in a square shape. I'm going to place it on this. So the reason why I'm actually doing this is so it could be very, very accurate and identical. But it's not necessary you do it like that. It's not necessary you do it like that. So just do something like this. I think it's okay like that. Yeah, something like this. Then I'll just duplicate it. I'll duplicate it here. Bring this one over here. I'll bring this one over here. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. So I'll just have to position it. I'll come to my nudge. This is my nudging tool. Do you understand? I'll click on nudge, and then I will position it. Position it very well. Then the second one, I'll position it very well. The third one, I'll position very well. So let me duplicate again. Bring it here. Duplicate again. Bring it here. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. Then just position so that it can. So I will teach you another way you can actually do it like from scratch. Do you understand? But the reason why I'm using this is because I'm working with 5 squares. Do you want our rectangle? Let me just say 5 shapes, and 10. Sorry, and there is high tendency that I might make a mistake. Like one might be bigger than the other one, or I will not be able to position everything rightly. That's why I'm doing it like this. But if you are doing it from scratch and you don't have any image that you want to copy, so you can still do it like just place the square. You do the first square, then you just duplicate it, then position it. You keep position it. Once you position it, you come over to this more. Do you see what I pressed? So let me just show you this place. This place, you click on more. So let me just you click on more. Then you come to select multiple. Once you select multiple, you click on everything. You click on everything. Click on everything. Then you click on copy. You click on copy. So once I come to copy, I will come over here. I will long press. You understand? I'm going to long press. Once I long press, I will click on paste. I'll click on paste. Can you see that? I've pasted everything. I see that even despite what I did, it's still not accurate. So what I will do now is that I'm going to nudge everything. I'll nudge it till it becomes accurate. I'm going to be nudging everything till it becomes accurate. Okay. I will nudge everything. I think this one is not yet accurate. I think yes. So it will show you a line to indicate that, oh, this thing is accurate, it's all right now, something like that. So that's it. This one is accurate. So remain this. I want to make sure this one is also accurate. Okay, this one up. No. I want to bring this one down. So to this side. Okay, then this. So there are some places that I will have to pause. Let me pause so I will not be wasting too much time. Okay. So I'll just come over here. These are the color code. I'll not be showing you guys how I add the color code. I don't want this tutorial to be too long. So I will be removing the unnecessary part. I'll be removing the unnecessary part. No. I'll just come over here. I'll click on the image. Click on the image. I'll come over to click on color. Click on this. Then I'll just paste the color code. So okay, right now I just finished I just finished downloading. Are we putting the colors? Now what I want to do is I want to import an image. So to import an image, you come to this option, upload. You click on upload. Once you click on upload, you click on upload file. Then you click on device. Then you click on the phone. So you are going to go to where the image is, and then you are just going to click on it. So basically just click on it like this. I already have the image I want to use here. Do you understand? I have the images I want to use here, but I want to show you some things. Then I'm going to click on, let me bring this anti. So I'll come over to BG remover. I'll click on remove background. It will remove the background. Then I can come over to my effect. No, it's not effect. It's not effect. Filter. Come over to filter. Can click on fresco just to give it a lighter shade. Do you understand? Then I will reduce the size, bring it up here. So what I will do now is I will bring this thing down. I'm going to be working with this, then I will close it by the left. I will make sure that it's aligned with the line, with the shape, with the square shape. I will bring this over here also. Do you understand? This is what this is what I want to do. So I'm going to be posting the video here too. I'll just import the rest. Do you understand? I don't want this. No, don't worry. Let me just. I will do like 3. Then I'll pause the video. Then do you understand? I don't want this video to be too long. Let me bring the ladies in first. Okay. So let me just remove the background. The network is not good here. What's wrong? Okay, just reduce the size. Let me see if I put this over here. Just bring her here. Then this is a little bit. Then you crop it till it reach that line. Can you see the line? Yes. Then to this other side. No, let me do this first. The down part. Then I will do the sides. I did a mistake. I've cropped the head. No. Something like this. Then bring this over here. Then bring this over here. This is okay. Like this. Let me pause the video. So not to waste our time, I will show you a simple technique I use here. I'm going to be using here. So I'll just long press on one of these images. Then I'll click on select multiple. Then I'll click on like 5 images. Okay, probably 6. Then I'll click on copy. Once I click on copy, I'll come over to this side. I'm going to long press. Then I'll click on paste. Can you see what I just did? Simple. These are some of the reasons why I like Canva. Do you understand? Now for this last image, I've used this girl already. So I'm looking for someone I've not used. So let me just long press on this woman. Then I will copy her. And I will come and paste her. I'm going to paste her. No, let me even do it like that. Let me just remove this girl from here. Then I will long press on her. I'll click on select multiple. I'll click on the other one. Then I'll copy. Once I copy, I'm going to click here and then I'm going to paste. And we are done with that. Can you see what I just did? That's another simple techniques you can use. Now what I want to do next is I want to bring in these 2 shapes. Do you understand? I want to bring in these 2 shapes, and that is square. That's a square shape. Oh, I didn't know that. I've already paused the video since. Okay, let me delete some of these things. I'll delete it and I'll do it again. So what I want to do next is I want to bring in a square image. So once I bring in a square image, I'll position it, I'll align it here. Then I'll reduce the size. Yes, something like this. So they increase it a little bit. So once I'm done with that, I will come over to this corner. Increase the corner to around 60. And say 60, 65. Okay. I'll duplicate this and I will align it to the side. And I'll change the color of this one to this purple. Let me show you the color code. So this is the color code. That is the color code. You can write it down. You get. And I'll come over to here. I will change it to white. The color code for white is FFFFF. So I want to nudge this to the side so that it can align properly. So once I'm done with that, now I want to add my text. So the first text I added was the date. I'm going to put Saturday, so it's just sat.17th. Now I will bring this over here, reduce the size very well. So now I want to change the font to monument. Come over here, click on the upper arrow, click on this side arrow here, and this is already bold. So I use monument bold. So bring this, no, this is too small. Increase this a bit, and just bring it here. So you use your nudging tool to be positioning the stuff. Do you understand? You use it for positioning. You need to position. You need to position your work. I don't think I use monument bold here. This monument bold is let me check what I used here. It's still bold though. Just too small, that's why. I think it's too small. Okay, this is okay. Let me just duplicate this to the side. Then I'll click on edit it, May 2025. Click on it. I will nudge it. Then that I want to change the typeface. It's still monument though, but I want to change the typeface to a lighter shade. No, let me change to regular. Yeah. The reason why I'm using different typefaces is only you can create emphasis. Do you understand? If everything is the same size, everything is the same, you get the same weight, people will not be able to like quickly distinguish. We use this so that people can distinguish and see. Do you understand? You create importance, you create urgency in your design. Do you understand? There is different. If I make a design now and everything is the same, all the font and everything is the same, there will not be any uniqueness. Do you understand? So I want to bring in a line. So I will bend it till it reach minus 90. No, no, it's not 9. It's not line. What I want to bring in is a square shape. That line is too thin. I want to bring in a square shape. Then I will like crop it till it's almost disappear. So I'll just a little bit. This is it's not working now. It used to work very here. Something like this. Then I will something like this. Something like this. Now I want to show you these two small icons here. This is calendar icon. You come over to your element. Then you search for this is location icon and then calendar icon. Search for the two. Then once you search for the two, you are going to change the color. You understand? You're going to change the color. You come over here. This is the color. You change the color to this purple color. Do you understand? What I want to do here is I want to copy the two. Select multiple. Select as multiple. Select as multiple, and then select as multiple. So what I'll just do, I'll just copy it. I will copy it. I'll paste it here. Paste. So what I will just do is, because it's not the same size, I will re-edit it. Now we edit everything. Now we'll just position everything so it can be aligned. Position this one also. So yeah, this one is a little bit bigger. Just remove. Okay. Nudge it. Nudge is just like you are moving it little by little. You understand? Then let me position this to the center. So the next thing is, how do I get all this logo? I've showed you. They are just digital. Sorry, they are just digital logos that I got from Pinterest. You understand? Digital logos I got from Pinterest. So what I did is, I'll bring in the logos. This is the logo. I'll bring in the logo. I will show you the two techniques I use there. Bring in this one. So this one, just click on BG remover, background remover. Remove the background. Reduce the size. Then bring it here. Do you understand? I'll bring it here. Then let me increase the size a little bit. Increase the size a little bit. For this other one, what I did is, let me bring this other one in. Let me bring this other one. This one is Chich Tutor. Tech Tutor. Reduce. I'll crop it. No, let me do it like this. I'll crop this one out. Then I will crop this one out. Then I will remove the background. So the reason why I did this is that I want to change the color of that one. I will show you. I don't want it to affect the color of this one. I want the color of this to be constant, to be there. You understand? Now I will bring it in again. Probably the one that you want to use, the logo that you want to use, or the brand logo that you want to use. You might not need to do all this stuff, but I'm just teaching you this technique. You will still later need it somewhere. Do you understand? You still later need it somewhere to reduce the I want to crop it out. So like this. So I will remove the background. So once I remove the background, I will then come over to my effect. I'm going to click on this dual tone. This DUTONE dual tone. Then I'll click on custom. Once I click on custom, I'll click on it again. I'll click on highlight first, and I'll change it to white. Just click here. So to bring this on, then I'll click on shadow. I'm going to change it to, I'll cancel the color code. I'll change it to white. I'll change it to white. So I'm using that it has turned to white. Then I'll reduce the size a little bit again. Then just position it here. Somewhere around here. Let me just nudge it so that it can be balanced. Then for the last logo, which is digitally. So firstly I remove the background. I will come over to my effect, come over to dual tone, click on custom, click on it again, then click on highlight. Then I will cancel out the color code. I'll press 5 and 6F, which is white. I'll click on here, then this. I'll click on shadow again, cancel out the color, then change everything to white. Then crop it out. Just bring it here. Okay, yeah. So this is done. What I want to do next is, okay, I want to bring in I want to write the name of this everybody that is here. So I will write one name, then I'll just duplicate it. So I don't want this video to be more than 30 minutes. I want it to be more than 30 minutes. So I'll just come over here, cancel everything here. Then let me see, John. Let me use I don't want to use ornament. I want to use popping fonts. Popping. This is popping. I want to change the font size to semi-bold. Use the size very well. Use the size. Then change the color to white. Come over here, click on color. Change it to white. Use the size again. So now the next thing I want to put is the SMFS logo. So I couldn't find the SMFS logo on Pinterest, so I downloaded it from Google. To understand? So the same thing, I'll remove the background. I'll bring it here. Now once I have a problem now. Since I remove the background, this thing is showing. You see that what I have here is white. This one is not white. So this is where I have to use my creativity. I'm going to bring in a square shape, change it to white. I'm going to change it to white. This is the size, and place it here. This is the size. Just crop it till it fits in. Crop it till it fits in. Then it again, bring it up on the other one, crop it again till it fits in. Here, crop it till it fits in. Then this is too big. Here. So once I'm done with this, I will click on this more. I will select it, then I will merge it. You see what I did? I'll click on the other one, this small one. I'll click on this small one. I will click on more. I will select it, and with the other one. No. I'll make a mistake. I'll click on this. I'll send it backward. Click on position and then send it backward. Click on the second one and send it backward. So I'm still on that second one. I'll come over here and click on more. I'll click on select multiple. Then click on the big. I'm selecting multiple so that I can able to drag everything together. Select multiple. Then I'll group it together. Then I want to come over to my layer. I'm looking for that second one. This is it here. Then I'm going to click on more, select multiple, merge it, group it, so I can move everything together now. Just place it here. Okay. Wow, we're almost done. What else did I did here? I'll click on element again. What I used here is what I search here is curved line. So I'll just click on this curved line, enlarge it, come over here, click on color, change the color to white, bring it over here, and then send it backward. This bit here to like this. Then I'm going to copy it, bring it over there, rotate it to 180, bring it over here. The same thing, send it backward. So once you are done, it remains this square shape. I just want to copy, but you can still bring in your own square shape. You understand? So I'll just paste it here. Paste. Just increase the size a little bit. Just increase the size a little bit. And if you like, you can bring in a QR code. Come over to element. No, come over to element. Bring in a QR code. QR code. Just bring in this QR code. Change the color to blue. Change the color to blue. No, or something like this. Okay. I'll just no. Let me change this color to blue. This particular color to blue. So with this, okay. This color to this blue. Change this color to white. This to white. Okay. So this is the end of our tutorial. Please like and subscribe. This channel really need your support. Like, subscribe. You can also comment. You understand? You can also comment. It's very important. Thank you very much. To the next episode. Thank you.